Hello and welcome everyone to this video on creating and managing BDC programs by Xerantech. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our Xerantech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the concept of BDC. So BDC in simple words stands for batch data communication, and it is a technique which is used for data migration. That is, you can use this concept for data migration. Now see how BDC works. So BDC is simple. The purpose of BDC is to transfer from the data from non-SAP system to SAP system, and it works on the principle of screen recording. That is, you can use the transaction code for recording is SHDB. So you can use the concept of screen recording to use BDC. Now, one of the various precautions that we always should use before using the BDC concept is that make sure do a practice before starting the recording, because whatever step that you will do during the recording will be recorded. So we should never use F4 or F1 help in BDC, and do not pass the wrong values. So because if you pass the wrong values, it will also be recorded in the program. So we should always take care before using the concept of BDC that we should do a practice first. So now I am going to show you how we can create, basically you can use BDC, how you can transfer some data using BDC. See, so the dedicated transaction code for using BDC is SHDB. So simple, go to SHDB transaction code. SHDB. Now we will click on new recording. Here, give the name of the recording. Suppose I am giving like 1, 2. And give the transaction code in which you want to create it. You want to perform the recording. Suppose I want to record using MM01 transaction code. So click on start recording. Now here, give any material name. Suppose I am giving MAT. I am giving MAT 100. Then industry sector, I am suppose selecting pharmaceutical. Then in material type, I am giving raw material. Press enter. Select basic data 1. Press enter. Already maintained. Okay, no issue. Give some other material. Now okay. Press enter. Select basic data 1. Now give any material description here. Material description. And suppose I am giving basic unit EA and material group as ROH. Now I am clicking on save button. As soon as I click on save button, see what happens. My data got coded. Simply click on save button and recording will be saved. Now click on back button. We can see my data will be shown here. Now select the recording and click on the program and give the name of the program which you want to create. Suppose I am giving record MM01. Copy the program first. Then select the radio button, transfer from recording here and click on OK button. Here you will provide the title, screen recording using BDC. Press enter or click on source code. Then assign the package and transport request. Now see, whatever steps that you have taken during the recording, all the steps we are recorded, and we can see we are getting a particular perform BDC underscore field and those particular steps that you have used here. So this is how we perform recording in BDC, and BDC stands for batch data communication. BDC stands for batch data communication, and we can record BDC using SHDB transaction code. It is the most important transaction code, and some of the precautions that we should use, so that we should always take care before screen recording, is that never use F4 and H1 value, and always make sure to do a practice before starting the recording, because whatever step that you will do, it will be recorded. So never make a mistake in the recording. Otherwise, simply delete the recording and record it again, because it will be captured and you will not be able easily understanding what are these steps. And so during data migration, it can cause a trouble to us. The BDC is one of the most important way to migrate the data, and it uses the concept of screen recording. And what is the transaction code of BDC? SHDB. So this is all about BDC. Thank you very much.